for NFA or Epsilon-NFA or e-NFA, we have a 5-tuple set. So this is a 5-tuple set. The first element of the tuple is Q. Capital Q represents set of states. Capital Q is a set of states. Okay, how many states are there? 6. Q0 is the starting state or initial state. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5 are the next states. Next, the second element of the tuple is in the alphabet string. It is denoted as a sigma. It contains only, it is a decimal number, so dot. It may be positive or negative, so plus or minus. And the decimal numbers, possible numbers are 0 to 9. Okay. So these are the strings, these are the alphabets included in the sigma. Next, this is a transition function. So when this transition is moving to another state is, it takes an initial or current state and it combined with the input symbol from the alphabets. The input symbol may be an empty or it contains a string. So because it is an epsilon-NFA. Epsilon-NFA means it can move from current state to another state when it reads an empty string also. Okay. Shall we go to the example? Yes. So we start from the Q0. Q0 is the initial state. It can create when we want to move to the Q1, it must take or it will take empty or plus or minus. So suppose it does not have any input symbol also, it move to Q1. It may read plus or minus. So it move to Q1. After reaching Q1, it has to read 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means there is only whole number 0 to 9, or it can read decimal point. So decimal point means before the decimal point there is no whole number. So after minus or after plus or after the empty string, it can directly read a decimal point. For example, 0.43. Is it a decimal number or not? int